vamos, tutu. Come on, girl. Jump. Yeah. So you know, that's the flyotita right there. It's actually so cold outside, but this girl wants me. Put down the window. Look how cute she looks though. Her head out the window. Look, she has a little. So cute. Hello, hi. Do you guys have the new Blizzard?
Which one are you referring to?
It's something about cookie dough.
We have the Snickerdoodle cookie dough.
That's the new one, right?
Yeah, that's the new one.
Okay, can I get that one, please?
What size?
Can I get small because I have the $1 off coupon?
Sorry?
Can I get a small one because I have $1 off coupon for the any Blizzard?
Okay, you should have to show me at the window then. Anything else besides that?
That's everything.
Right now it's 5:52. Drive through.
Actually, give me the mini. Can you switch the small
The
to
mini
a
one?
yeah, mini?
Okay, so it's 408. Drive through.
Thank you. We got a seat in the shot too. Hey yo, what's good everybody? Fly Lopez here with another fly video, and today guys I'm with Flyotita. So yeah guys, I had to try the new Blizzard out. Like, come on. Hey, you're scratching my dashboard. I had to try the new Blizzard out. I think it's called Cookie Dough Snickerdoodle. I don't know. But I got it for $3. It's going for the kill, guys. This is how it's looking. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that focus. Just look at that focus, guys. Wow. Maybe a bit more so then I can tell you guys what it tastes. Okay, let's start with the ice cream. It's like vanilla mixed with like a little bit of like cinnamon. Wow. And then I don't know if I'm buying like a cookie dough. Yeah, I think it's like a cinnamon cookie dough. Look. There we go. See? Like a cinnamon cookie dough. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. Really good. If you guys are like me, like to try new Blizzards, new food, give this video a big thumbs up. It tastes a little bit similar to the last Dairy Queen Blizzard I had of the pumpkin pie. It tastes a little bit similar. Just a little tiny bit. They're both good. She actually filled it up, not like the last time. Not like the last person did it. Because she didn't give me a cover. So it's better like that. She doesn't give me a cover and she can fill it up more, and that's what she did. So this is definitely worth $3, guys. See, that's dead, guys. Not dead, but like she's being boring because she wants to be out. I'm gonna give her a cookie. Wow. I don't know how I can describe this to you guys. Osita. Oh shoot, she even licked my shit. I'm gonna give her a treat, guys, so I can finish my beautiful. Oh, qué rico que está esto. Un saludo a toda la Argentina, Mendoza. Marcelo está viendo este video, loco. Un gran saludo, loco, de Toronto, Canadá. Acá estamos. Acá estamos controlando todo, loco. Mira. Una galletita para la Osita. Lo va a comer ahora. Little doggy treat, guys, for Osita. Uno más. Ok. Esto es un lado nuevo. No sé cómo se llama en español. Galleta dough, no sé cómo se dice, pero está muy rico. En Argentina no es este helado, se llama dairyqueen. Mira, dairyqueen. Qué bueno que está esto, guys. This is so good. I'm gonna finish eating my ice cream. I could go home and edit, guys. Today's Saturday, it'll be up today, which is Saturday. So, guys, I want to see about 20 likes. I want to see 20 comments, but obviously in the future, I want to see 100 likes and 100 comments. Right, Osita? Tell these guys what is good in the hood. Tell them, let them know that we got this. We got this. So, guys, just remember one thing, though. I'm back to doing pranks, but like I said, when I feel like a prankster, I'll do a prank, alright? So like I said, guys, I put any video out for now. I'm saving up to get the MacBook Pro. My videos will be better. So yeah, you already know. Just remember one thing though. I'll be back to, yeah. Stay fly.